10 Best Quotes of Film Modern Times 1936 Part 2. Charlie Chaplin's Modern Times is a 1936 silent film that blends comedy with social commentary. It follows a tramp, portrayed by Chaplin, as he struggles to survive in an increasingly industrialized world. The film critiques the dehumanizing effects of mass production and the harsh realities of the Great Depression. Iconic scenes include the tramp being swallowed by a machine and his attempts to adapt to various jobs. Despite the challenges, the film maintains a tone of optimism and resilience. Modern Times remains a timeless classic, highlighting Chaplin's genius in addressing serious themes with humor and compassion. A gamin, last lines, what's the use of trying? A factory worker, buck up, never say die. We'll get along. A factory worker, where do you live? A gamin, no place, anywhere. Sheriff collar, well, you're a free man. A factory worker, free? Can't I stay a little longer? I'm so happy here. Sheriff collar, this letter will help you to get work. Now make good. Opening title card, Modern Times. A story of industry, of individual enterprise, humanity crusading in the pursuit of happiness. This sets the stage for the film's satirical look at modern life and the struggle for meaning. The factory feeding machine, a chaotic scene where workers are fed automatically, blurring the line between humans and machines. This image critiques the dehumanization of industrial work. The tramp caught in the gears. The tramp gets caught in the factory machinery, mirroring the feeling of being trapped in a relentless system. The dance with the tightening bolts, a playful yet unsettling scene where the tramp tightens bolts that seem to control his every move. This portrays the loss of agency in a mechanized world. The gamin with no place anywhere. This exchange highlights the plight of the homeless and displaced during the Great Depression. Buck up, never say die. We'll get along. This quote reflects the resilience and optimism of the tramp, despite the hardships he faces. Smile though your heart is aching. From the famous song, Smile, which became associated with the film, encouraging perseverance through tough times. I've had enough of this job. I'm looking for a new one. The tramp's decision to leave his factory job reflects his quest for a better life and human dignity. Hey, quit stalling. Get back to work. This line from the factory boss epitomizes the dehumanizing demands of industrial labor. It's no use. I'm not a mechanic. The tramp's acknowledgement of his unsuitability for the mechanized work reflects the broader struggle of humans in an increasingly automated world. Look at that. He's become a part of the machine. A commentary on how workers are often reduced to mere cogs in the industrial machine.